Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's me. I'm finally here by myself with another head wrap, black this time. And no eyebrows. Yes. Whoa, what are those? Wow. So, we're just gonna do an easy brow tutorial with a Pro Concealer. That's my shade. Covergirl pencil 705 is the number. I don't even know what this thing is called, so hey. And I use a piece of paper. It's what I use. Sue me. And lastly, it's the mirror so we can see what's going on. Ooh, yes, girl, yes. So let's get started. All right. So just like that. What are you brushing? What are you brushing? There's nothing. Okay, I'll stop talking. But no, see, okay, she's still brushing. All right. So I guess we're just gonna brush everything to go towards the same way, same side, same direction. I don't see nothing there, but do what she do. This eyebrow pencil is everything to me, so you just gotta find what works best for you. It's a fine tip, as you can see, so it really does the job for me to give me this really natural, easy look. So all I basically do is just go in and try to shade in the outer corner of my eyebrow so I can get the arch look. Check mark. Oop, there it is, girl. Just like that. Yep. So once you've completed the outer corner of the eyebrows, you just go inside and shade them in as dark as you want or as light as you want. I don't really like mine too dark because again, it won't give me the natural look that I'm looking for. So you just go in and try to blend in everything. And she is trying so hard to get that arch look. Look at her. Yes. All right. I see the difference already. Okay. All right, girl. Yes. This side. All right. Okay. That side. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Now we just repeat the same thing for the other side, just like that. Okay, now with the concealer, I just squirt some on the napkin to like clear the tip a little bit, and we just put it on the outer edge of the eyebrows to clean it up a little bit and give it, that more defined, natural, like it's all mine, born with it look, just like what she's doing. And you gotta make sure when you do it, you try as hard as you can to get that arch look, cause girl, that is a must. Just like that arch. And remember, the brows, they're supposed to be cousins, not twins. So it's okay if one side looks a little bit different than the other side. Just like that, look at the difference, a huge difference. And I usually like to go in with the brow pencil to fill in any extra spots that I missed. And with the napkins, we just fold it in small piece until I get a nice crisp edge, and we use that to blend out the concealer. It works for me. If it doesn't work for you, don't use it. Use what works best for you. I'm gonna stick with this method until I learn something new or something better and more effective. But for now, this will do. And usually when I wear makeup, it's easier for me to blend my eyebrows, but since we're not wearing makeup, I just go in with this beautiful pencil that I don't know what it's called to try our hardest to blend out the concealer with the rest of my face. And if all fails, just go in with the fingers and clear out any leftovers that's still on there. It's your eyebrows. You do whatever you want with it. And lastly, we just go in and brush everything to make sure they're going the same direction. Just like that. And we're done. Ta-da! That's it. Ooh, yes, girl. Alright. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, watch all the other videos. Goodbye.